Hi guys, today we have a real easy recipe for you today. We have eggless egg salad sandwiches. First, we're going to start off with two 15-ounce cans of garbanzo beans. We're going to place them in a food processor. Once they are all blended up, we're going to put this in a large bowl so we can add the rest of our ingredients. We're going to add 1/2 cup of plant-based mayo, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of sweet pickle relish, 1/4 cup of diced celery, 1/4 cup of diced red onions, and 1/2 teaspoon of black salt. We're going to mix that together. Next, we're going to add black pepper just to taste and mix the mixture until everything is combined. Once everything is combined, we're going to refrigerate our mixture for 1 hour until chilled. After everything is chilled, we're going to take 2 pieces of bread and make our sandwiches, silly. And there you have it, eggless egg salad sandwiches. These are real quick and easy and great for a quick lunch or a very hot summer day. I hope you enjoy the recipe, loves. Have a great day. Mwah! See you later.